Hello, I'm Dr. Shaylin Buck for the DeKalb Medical Minute. Every second counts when someone is having a heart attack, so it's important to understand that there are all kinds of symptoms. Let's find out from Dr. Marcus Sims of the DeKalb Medical Heart and Vascular Institute what a heart attack might feel like.
Most of the time, patients have substernal chest pain that's sharp, that radiates down their left arm. But sometimes patients have pain that radiates to their back or to their neck, or it may be similar to heartburn. And so patients aren't really sure if it's actually a heart attack or not. And so the best thing to do would be to go to the DeKalb Medical Center ER or another ER to be evaluated by a doctor and get an EKG done. Some atypical signs that patients have are nausea, vomiting, dizziness, shortness of breath, and other people complain of fatigue or weakness.
Many people don't realize that there are differences in the types of heart attack symptoms experienced by men and women, and even diabetics.
Well, usually women, come in complaining that they're fatigued or weak, and so usually they don't have the typical chest pain where it's radiating down your arm. So diabetics usually have numbness in their extremities, and they may have fatigue and weakness, or nausea and vomiting, or just shortness of breath. And so diabetics, have a higher risk of having heart attacks. So it's really important to tease out their symptoms to see if they're actually having a heart attack or maybe angina, which is a prelude to somebody having a heart attack. When the patient arrives in our ER, we basically send them directly to the cath lab as an emergency, and we all live within 30 minutes of the hospital, so we try to get them in, as fast as we can. With that team approach, we can take care of patients' heart attacks in DeKalb County as well as the rest of Atlanta.
As Dr. Sims said, it's important if you are feeling any of the symptoms he described to get to your doctor's office or the local ER quickly. Every second counts. For more information on heart and vascular conditions and care, please view the other videos on this website.